Hi guys, this is Nash Sharma, and in this session we will discuss how to create the scheduled flow in Power Automate. What is the scheduled flow? A flow which can be scheduled for a particular date, particular time, or a particular frequency to execute some task, say sending the daily reports or updating the database or analyzing the data from some specific resource. We check this example for the scheduled flow. Suppose a company wants to send the message on the daily basis to its team member. So for this purpose, we need a reoccurrence control. And reoccurrence means execute again and again on a particular frequency. Frequency means interval. We can set minute, hour, daily. So if we set the minute, it means this control will execute on each and every minute. Then time zone. We can set the time zone for the country and start time at what time you want to start your flow. So on the basis of the frequency set by you, this reoccurrence control will execute again and again and send the message to the MS team. In MS team, we have some fields: post as, posting, team ID, and channel message. So sending the message to a particular team or particular channel, we can set here. Before we start practical, we check our resource. We have a team, MS team, and the name of the team is the Lotus, and there are two channels, general and the project channel. So for our practical or for our example, we will use this general channel. Now we check how to create the schedule flow with practical. So create, and third one, scheduled cloud flow. Then name, then date, on which date you want to start and at what time you want to start. Then repeat every. So you can change the value, by default say 1 every 1 minute, or you can change say 1 minute, 1 month, 1 week, day, and every hour, then every minute and every seconds. Say if I select week, so you can see all weekdays are selected. If you want to skip some days, then you can unselect say Sunday and Friday. So you can observe these days are not included in the list. Now 1 minute, say create. So we have the first step of this scheduled flow. If we check this one, so interval is the 1 minute, frequency and advanced option. Time zone, you can select the time zone for a particular country here, and if you do not select, so then it will take the default from your system. Then start time means at what time you want to start this flow, you can mention here. Next step or new step, for every minute we have to post a message on the team. So new step, MS team, then post a message in a chat or channel. Select this one. Now Flowbot, post in channel. Which channel? Then team ID, Lotus, and channel, say project channel. Now we type some message here. Please keep your desk clean every day. Thanks. So this is message. Now I save this one, and now we have message. The flow is ready. Test. Run flow. Now done. Okay. Now we check our MS team with the channel, project channel. This is the project channel, and we have a message. Please keep your desk clean every day. So first message we have 459, and the second message it should be on the 60. Then it's a 5. So the flow will keep posting the message on each and every minute to the MS team. Now we check the history, flow and run history. So first one 59, second one 5. So this is how you can create a schedule flow. So guys, this was all about the how to create the schedule flow in Power Automate. Thanks for watching the video.